Hello everyone, this is Teacher Belen, and for today's videos, we're going to talk about addition and subtractions of decimals because I know that some of my students are having difficulty when it comes to adding and subtracting decimals. So now, let's make it easy. Just look, listen, and learn. So let's have first example. Add 8.573, 12.1098, and 0.5. Okay, take note that when it comes to adding and subtracting decimal, there are steps that we should follow. Same with multiplications and division. But now let's focus first on addition and subtractions. Okay, so first step, we're going to align the decimal point. So let me write first. We have 8.573. We also have 12.1098. We also have 0.5. Okay. So as you can see, all the decimal points are already aligned. Therefore, we can now proceed to step number 2, which is add 0 as placeholder. So I have a question before we proceed to step number 2. How many or what is the highest decimal places do we have? 4. Very good. So we have 4. Therefore, we're going to add 0 to make the decimal places 4. So there, let me write first. Okay. So as you can see, all have 4 decimal places. So therefore, we can now proceed to step number 3, which is add the number column by column from right to left. Again, from right to left po ang pag-compute or pag-add. Okay, don't forget to write the operation because it will determine how will you solve an equation po. Okay, clear ba yon? Okay, so now, let's proceed to step number 3, which is add the number column by column from right to left. So we have 0 plus 8, we have 8 plus 0, we still have 8. So write 8. Next, 3 plus 9, we have 12 plus 0, we have 12. Carry 1. 7 plus 0 plus 0, we have 7 plus 1, we have 8. Next, 5 plus 1, we have 6 plus 5, we have 11. Carry 1. 8 plus 2, we have 10 plus 0, we have still 10. Plus 1, we have 11. Carry 1. Next, 1 plus 1, we have 2. Okay, so last step is to place the decimal point. So, ang tandaan nyo lang po, you're going to bring down the decimal point. So, we have between 1 and 1. O kaya naman po, pwede din naman po, you're going to count how many decimal places do we have. So, we have 4 decimal places. Therefore, you're going to count mula 8 to 8 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, between 1 and 1. Clear po yun? No question, verification, violent reaction, wala naman po. Naintindihan po ba to? Okay. So our answer will be 21.1828. Okay, another example. Subtract 1.234 from 5.8. Okay, when it comes to subtraction, same with addition lang naman po. Same yung step nila. However, nagkakaiba lang po when it comes to operation. Okay, first step is align the decimal point. So as you can see, yung given sa atin is subtract 1.234 from 5.6. So kapag naka-encounter po kayo ng word na from, mauuna po yung 5.6 bago yung 1.234. Okay po? So let me write first 5.6 and then 1.234. Ayan po. Ganyan po natin sinusulat kapag naka-encounter po tayo ng from. Okay, next is add zeros as placeholder. So how many decimal places do we have? We have 3. So therefore, yung other number, we're going to make it 3 decimal places. So we have 1, 2, okay. And then after that, you're going to subtract the number column by column from right to left po. Ganun po ulit. From right to left. Ang kaibahan lang po, you're going to subtract. Again, don't forget to write the operation po. Ayan po. So as you can see, we cannot subtract 4 to 0. Therefore, manghihiram po tayo kay 6. So, yung 6 magiging 5 na lang, yung 10 magiging 9. Bakit? Mababawasan ng isa. And then si 10, and then yung 0 magiging 10 po. So, 10 minus 4, we have 6. 9 minus 3, we have 6 again. 5 minus 2, we have 3. And then 5 minus 1, we have 4. So, the last step is, what will be the last step? Place the decimal point. So, bring down mo lang po yung decimal point kung saan naka-align. Or, count the decimal places. We have 3 decimal places, therefore, between 4 and 3 yung decimal or yung place ng decimal point. Okay po? Clear ba yun? So, the answer will be 4.366. Clear? Do you have question, clarification, violent reaction? Wala naman po. Okay, if there is no question, let me end it here. So, samahan niyo na lang ako sa susunod nating video, which is, I'm going to talk about multiplications and division naman po. So, but for now, yun lang muna. Bye-bye!